Okay, go, go.
Jake, do it now, dude.
Okay, I'm going first. Turn around there. Itanggal ang insert. Turn around. Go.
Face.
Face. Ayan. Ayaw, ang kamo, tugaw yan na, remember? Pantay ha, matumba ka ha. Mabilin na lang ang tanan, ay lang ang titiber. Hoy! Excuse me. Of course, I'm Bisaya. Laagan jud ko. Unya, ang maestres, akong bana. Ay.
Hey! Yeah.
Okay. Tikas.
Stop now, because you make my arm itchy when I do that. I've been asking nicely.
Alright.
Stupid. Look.
Ayaw. Thank you.
Turn the ticket on so she can see that. There you go.
Thank you. Thank you, Bo. Give me your passport. Thank you. So we're here, guys, going on board. For my little design now, guys. Here we are. Hi. Okay, hold your things, Bo. Yeah, that
This
one.
one mine?
Yeah. 27, Bo. Go 27.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God. Are you able to? Okay, Dad? Almost you reached 27, go. 27. Hi, good morning. I think it's... Are you okay there? Yes, thank you. Tungod kita kaya akong banaw. Tama-tama ra po. 27 po. So we're here, guys. I think next bo, on the other side bo. Here. And then Daddy will be in the D. You go to over the window? Here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Daddy will be there.
This is my seat.
Sabo. Naunsa ka. Nag-look.
Mommy, it's pink.
Take a solar. In Jesus' name. There we go. bottom because nagpagi kay nagulan. So, the cloudy. Nice sun.
She went to a cloud ball.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I got scared. When you take off, I get scared. It's easy for me to not get scared and as a baby it's hard for me to get scared here. When I'm rolling something, it's just so scary.
See the cloud? We're on the top of the cloud, guys.
Oh my god, we're going to outer space.
Yeah. Outer what? Outer. Where did you go?
We're going to go into space.
Yeah, we're on the top of the clouds now. As you can see, guys.
I get to see the sun.
We're turning.
I never got to see the I get to see this. Clouds look so beautiful.
Yeah.
Supposed to tell you that is where we're going. If you speak inappropriately, we drop you off in outer space.
Yeah, so
Gives them some fear.
it's already.
It's all good. It's all good. That's why I just turned it on.
That's the cloud, guys.
Yeah. But if the clouds drop, you get to feel them.
Yeah, I know how it is. But twice. Yeah.
Mom, will you jump out
Oh,
this
yeah, it's
plane if it's
getting
this high? Hey!
Especially with all there's a bunch of different languages. My wife speaks this.
Ayoko. It's we're landing at Ottawa.
Yes.
Excuse me, please be seated, buddy. Do not want to do a go around today. Thank you.
Oh. That's a huge bump.
Yeah. Because clouds usually do that to planes. So guys, we're passing the big long
So we are
river.
landing at
Guys, if you
Ottawa.
see the big long river, it's right down there. You guys can just see my finger.
Ayoko na yung kamot. Hindi ko kita.
So there's the big long river. And we're heading downwards.
Ayoko.
Just one.
Nanapod ang panganon ko. Nanapod panganon.
Oh, look at that big cloud, Mama. Wow. I can eat that cloud.
It's like what do you think?
A cloud inside the cloud.
It's like
It's a tiny cloud.
huh?
It's called a tiny cloud because
It's
it's
like a cotton
candy.
cotton candy. Open na ang plane. Ready for landing.
Yeah.
We're here at Ottawa, guys. Change plane to Boston.
Did we stop? Teddy, look. Move, move. I want
Can
to
you turn off?
see.
Turn off na. Press the
We went up again. Whoa! That was scary.
It's so scary.
Yeah. Make your body go down. Whoa! What? down again and then back up. Please, don't do this again to
Did the
us.
flame turn off?
Yeah, this is a scary moment.
That's a scary moment, eh?
Yeah, I'll fly on my seatbelt someday. This is one of my favorite parts on being on an airplane. Oh my god! Did it scare me? Yeah, my feet is coming off clouds. This is like a roller coaster. My feet is coming off gravity.
You put the gravity.
Have privilege to see it for landing.
Well, it's so cool. I can actually be off clouds. Mini cloud.
Many clouds. Yay! Look at me here, Bo. Bo, look at me here.
This is scary. The wind is scary. It's scaring me out.
Did it scare you?
Yes.
Huh?
That big turn scared. Woo!
Ready for landing.
Whoa.
Here we are, Bo.
I can't see. Oh my god!
Gonna go. Count the Bo. Ten.
No, don't count please.
9.
No.
No? There we are. Welcome to one more change flight. Gonna go. Count the Bo. Scary day. Scary? We're here. We are, Bo.
It's making oh no. Mom,
Yeah,
do you
yeah.
see it? It's opened.
Yeah, it's open the wings.
Wow, that's a big one. Whoa. Mom, it's making me feel going up and down.
You see the tower? There they are. So here we are at Boston. No, Ottawa, heading to Boston. Okay, so we're having a layover for a couple of hours. So probably we reach in Boston around 6 o'clock, almost 7 o'clock night time, US time. Okay, so we are here right now at Ottawa International Airport. Sarap sanang lumabas, papunta doon sa ano. I wish I could have lots more hours so that we can just go roaming around downtown Ottawa. But it's not. So, sorry guys. As you could say, I'm wearing a braces. So, mahirap magsalita minsan. Yes. So, dahil sa gap ko, guys. Yan, papakita ko sa inyo yung airport. Ayan. Ayan kung ano, sa the main building.
Yeah.
Where your Trudeau is, your best friend Trudeau working. Why?
Over that when you little bit, you keep pushing me over in front of people.
This is number 2. We're going to number 2, but we magkuha sa mi og pagkaon kay gigutom nami. Walay Chinese diri store nga makakaon
Hold
tag
on one second.
gulay. Sana ko imong paliton hit. I want this dad. Oh, Ottawa dad. Ay, 8 man po dahil ni panuhak. I want this Ottawa, oh.
Okay. How much is it?
$8. This one is nice. How much is this? Oh, this one is more cheaper.
No, Mama.
$7. That's Ottawa. Hello, we forgot to
You
get
want, which one do you want?
this one, oh. We forgot the porter, though.
The what?
The porter. Okay ra?
The porter.
The porter good na. The kitchen. What's up? It's okay na. Kana lang Ottawa, dad.
Mom, look. Chinese.
Tako, di mo na Chinese.
It's the big boat. They use the
Ang coin na ron, oh, gipangkuan na ang mga coin gimo ng mga
You can play with those.
ang coin wa na giho, di na magamit.
What's this? Wow. I always want one of these.
Thank you. So I have Ottawa. So we just had finished check-in to US. So pababa nami sa among gate kay bawal man gud dito. So karon resume. We're here at duty free horn taxes. You know ko. Number 2. Asa man atong number 2 bo? 1 to 2. That's 1 to 2. That's 3, 4, 11, and 12.
You must be around the corner.
Probably. So you want to have a duty free? Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah.
Either that or number 2. I see it. Going down. We're going down. I saw the arrow.
Yeah, I'm looking to see where we go down.
This is 1 to gate 1 and 2. Here.
Well, then how come that has down?
That's for the, remember, the people who have need priority and people need to have, yeah, oh, that is our gate.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Uy, we're waiting in here. Hali na bo, dire na ta paabot bo. Can you have a picture with the pilot? Dali, kay naa pa sila diri. Oh, dali. Bo, look at here, Bo. Look at here. Tindog dito, dali ah. Sa lalaki, dali. Yeah, tindog, dali. Stand up there. Okay, stand up there. Okay, look at here. Look at here. Nobel, look at here. Sorry, Dad. You're taller than the plane. Sorry.
Yeah, just a little bit more.
Sorry, Daddy. Ah, ang saon man eh. Mupalit na lang kay sarili ni mong kuhan, Dad. Play. Number mo, what number we are? Gamay ra siya. What number 6?
Let me see mine.
16. Hurry
Where's
up.
mine? Where's mine? Is
Just
this
take
one
it.
mine?
It's 16. Keep going
Is
kasi.
this one mine?
Yeah, okay, keep going. Uy, ginuko ka gamay man din nga
There's
Lynn.
people behind us. You can't just keep stopping.
Okay.
I know. Yes.
Okay, here.
Your hips. To release the seatbelt, lift the buckles à proportion and pull apart. Pour attacher votre ceinture de sécurité, insérez la boucle dans la pince et serrez-la bien aux hanches. Pour la détacher, soulevez la partie du haut et tirez. This aircraft is equipped with 4 emergency exits. There are 2 at the front and 2 at the rear of the cabin. Please take note of the exits nearest you. Cet avion est doté de 4 sorties de secours. Il y en a 2 à l'avant et 2 à l'arrière de la cabine. Veuillez repérer les sorties les plus proches de vous. This aircraft is also equipped with escape path lighting. If there is a need to evacuate, a floor lighting system will guide you to the nearest emergency exit. In the event of an emergency, leave all your belongings behind for a faster and safer evacuation. Cet avion est aussi muni d'un système d'éclairage des voies d'évacuation. S'il fallait évacuer l'appareil, un éclairage au sol vous guiderait vers la sortie de secours la plus proche. En cas d'évacuation d'urgence, vous devez laisser tous vos effets personnels derrière vous pour assurer une évacuation rapide et sécuritaire. In the seat pocket in front of you is a safety features card. This gives details of the safety equipment and exits on this aircraft. Please review its contents prior to takeoff. Une carte sur les mesures de sécurité se trouve dans la pochette devant vous. Cette carte décrit l'équipement de sécurité et les sorties. Use your headsets and small handheld electronic devices, provided they are secured and in airplane mode. Tablettes rangées et vos bagages à main placés de façon sécuritaire. Vous pouvez maintenant soit sécurisé et en mode avion.
Thank you. Woo! Finally, we arrived at Boston, Massachusetts International Airport
Before I get home,
at 6:30 evening.
can this stay before I get home?
Yeah. So here they are, Boston, Massachusetts, duty free. Oh, here, ground floor transportation.
There you go.
There you go. Nobel, watch out, people is coming. Oops, awa lagi. Magtarong lagi ba? So, pagtarong ba? Kaya na yung mga bata ba?
Hey, I caught you.
So, yeah guys, we're here now. We're trying to catch the... Asa naman idapit, Dad?
Huh?
Asa naman idapit? Exit, exit. Oh, there. British Airways Lounge. Sa kadako ba naman sa airport, guys? Sunod na lang tas panon. Right, Bubu? Baba? So, legal seafood. Dami palang seafood dito, narao? Dami kayo, seafood. So, gate. Asa naman? Brown baggage claim there. Magsunod tas panon ini. Asa naman ni Dapita, Dad? Nagkabuang namin. Tara, dako kayong exit. Tara. So,
think so.
Where's Dada? Nadagang kang airplane, nakapark na ako. See? Hi, Bubu. My little Bisayang Hilaw, guys. Bubu! So we are just landed at Boston International Airport, guys. My little Bisayang Hilaw here at Boston. Yay! Naraod ako kay exit. Dirita.
This way.
Yep. So we are here, baggage claim. Whoa.
Wow.
Really? Taas pa kay Miglakawonon?
Huh?
Taas pa kay Taglakawonon. So the sea history take a flight. The Boston Globe.
When we go to come back,
Yeah. Nice airport, guys. Dako kayo. Limpyo pa jud.
Mom,
So narabo daghang kay flag. Asa may atong flag na bo?
Mom, so my fans,
Ha?
I'm walking sideways.
Ano
Hi, guys.
Manong mag-walk man ka?
I want to walk sideways because this is my knees.
Madagma ka
Nah,
na
I won't.
ayaw ka magsakit imong tail.
I will not.
Ay dara dado exit.
yeah, right here.
We're here. We are exiting. Oh, do not enter. Here, enter.
This one open it.
Diri na gud sa kabo. Diri sa kabo be. Hold on, Dad. Diri sa kabo. Subo, narabo. Asa man atong flag ini bo? I need you to find a flag, a Canada flag. If you find our Canada flag, you get bonus from mommy. Okay.
I already found it.
Hey.
Ah, wala. Wala
No,
gani
I'm
si
not even
Daddy.
sure if it's it.
Daghang kay grade bo, pangita dali. Asa man ang
Oh.
Canada flag?
I found Japan, boo. I have the
Dali.
wrong one.
Kisay makakuha og bonus. Bo, asa man ang Canada flag? Asa man? Asa? Asa good? Tell me what's the color.
No.
Kitindog lang diha bi. Tindog lang diha bo. Bo, tindog lang diha bi. Bo,
Come here, come take a picture by the food farm.
bo. Man. Asa man? Asa man? Asa lagi? Asa man ang American flag? Asa ang American flag? Ah, asa ang Canada flag? Asa man ang Pilipinas?
Huh?
Pilipinas?
No.
No. Wala Pilipinas? Wala di ay sus. Asa man ang
Oh, wait.
Brazil?
Wait. Uh-huh.
Asa ang
Found it.
Pilipinas?
I found.
Oh, dili man na Pilipinas.
No, the one behind that one.
Dili man na Pilipinas na, girata na kay pula man ang ibabaw. Always remember blue on the top.
Come on, boo.
Okay, let's go na.
It's actually red and
Yeah.
Look. Mom, look. Chinese flag.
Ah. So we are tunnel, guys. Enjoy the weather, Bo.
I think it's going to flood.
Flood.
Yeah.
Ito may flood nga tunnel man ni diri.
No, because that.
Diluy.
Because I think this is like a big tub.
The big tub. Tulay man ni, bridge man ni. Bridge man ni.
So my mom.
Well, di gamit ra na nila. Dili naman na buig huge tub pataka ra ka. Uy, ayo ko na na imong kamot di bongbong. Well, so guys, we're heading to hotel na guys.
Mom, how long is this?
Maybe another more than half an hour. Gutom na jud ko. What? Bo, asang number?
325.
325, yeah.
Yeah. Push down.
Keep push.
Hurry.
Tabang edad kasi. Hard. Turn on ng the light po.
I don't know if it's switch, guys.
Oh. Here they are.
Where's the
Welcome.
other like six?
Okay. Ha?
There's going to be two.
Good morning everybody. Ano dahil ni? Mayong hapon. So we are here now at Boston. So ito yung hotel na tinitira namin for a while. Yan. Ito yung Doubletree by Hilton. So ayan siya. So ayan. So ito yung view. Ayan yung magandang hotel guys. Dito tayo sa Malayo. So dito yung lobby entrance. Ayan yung hotel. So yung Doubletree, it was only 10 minutes away from my cousin. Ayan. Tingnan niyo siya. So ayan na siya guys. Yung Doubletree by Hilton. So wala hanggang dyan. Ayan. So, kakagigising ko lang. Already, pagmata na ko, guys. Dami kayong adlaw diri, guys, uy. Ayan na siya. Silaw kay sa mata. Ayan, welcome back. Kapusto na ito, ha. Tiyahin kong maganda. Ayan na. Ito yung first time na meet ko yung cousin, finally. Ayan, oh.
It's another part.
Ayan, oh. Tapos at least alam na niya na, ay may cousin pala ako sa'yo. Hindi nga siya naniwala, no? Oo. Ay, ano man to, oh, maple leaf. Meron pala dito maple leaf. Oh, ay, pareho lang naman. Ano yan, Bam? Sino yan siya?
Mayor K walks a little bit. 10 minutes walk, 15. Oh yeah.
Para pala commoner.
Lakad-lakad lang. Oo.
Lakad-lakad. Park man to.
Diyan may
You don't go to
This is the whole...
amusement park. Oh yeah, but the ones that spin around like that, I don't ride them.
We plan nga next year.
That's just going up
Kasi yung kaibigan ko sa Texas, ano,
okay with the roller coaster?
na sumakay na ng barko. Sabi niya, bisitahin niya ako. Tingnan lang muna kasi may isa pa kaming pending plano na dapat yung gawin.
Yung mag-uwi ka ng Pilipinas.
Hindi, pumunta nga doon sa kapatid niya ate. Kaya lang, nag-aral ako. Kaya hindi pwede. Hey Jomar, say hi. Welcome. Thanks for welcoming us. Boston. Maganda pala dito oh. Ayan oh.
May mga nagtitinda-tinda.
Ay, meron din no, para sa amin. Ayan siya oh. Meron naman doon marami sa amin, ganito.
Tingnan sila.
Nakamahal.
Mahilig siya kasi mag-arts.
Oh. Ay, ano mo yan, baka mag-painting, ano siya sa painting.
Yes.
Oh,
Kasi this
ganyan din.
summer, yan ang ginawa niya. Tatlong
Same house.
mas ang ginawa niya the whole summer. Alam ni Nani.
Ah, siya lang ang gumawa niyan.
From scratch yan.
Oh,
That's what keeps her busy.
ama, that's good. Di ba?
But it's too much now. So,
You gotta go to that statue man first.
they want to go to the playground.
Ah, ayan lang.
Let's stop for a while. Let them enjoy.
This month. Every Memorial Day, they'll put like thousands of flags around it.
Ah, sino yan siya?
It's like a memorial park.
Ah. Ay, maganda dito, Dad. Ang ganda, maraming kahoy. Ayan guys, oh, maraming kahoy.
Tapos pag winter, open to, ginagawang skating rink.
Ah,
Oh, they didn't bring
They open the
swimsuit
fountain.
or what. When it's not for swimming.
malayo ba yung
They'll get
Washington?
wet.
Oh, malayo. Doon kami galing.
During winter, they
Ah.
converted it to
Nag-drive lang kayo?
Ang lakad din na super lakad. Super lakad doon.
Lalo na unang araw ko dating dito. Dinala ko sa beach. Alas 12 hanggang alas 3.
Pero malami kayong ano dito? Malapit kayo ng dagat?
Yes.
Oo.
Kayo rin.
Ay hindi, walang dagat sa amin na eh.
Mahal, get to this cellphone.
Ay, din, nag-vlog siya dad eh. Nag-vlog daw siya eh.
How can she climb in?
Pero oh, naglalaro yung dalawa playground, tadpole.
Dating na sila na
Buti na lang si Nobel hindi nakadala ng swimsuit. Ayan. Dad, so here they are guys. May ano sila dito oh. Parang yung mga bata. So during some winter daw, nag-i-skate sila dito. Malamig ba dito? Malamig. Ah, yung tubig oh. Ayan oh, yung mga bata. Ang ganda naman. So punta tayo doon sa ato ta dito sa atong nay statue dito amot kinsa ni atong tan-awon. So wala ko naka-live diri jud sa Boston guys kay ang data dili mag-work. So punta ta dito. So during Memorial daw guys na sila yung mga event. O na po sa carousel diri oh. So yes guys, welcome back. My little Bisayang Hilaw here at Boston. So ayan guys. Ang ganda ng ano niya oh. Ground. So nakalimutan ko kasi yung vlog stick ko guys. So once again, daghang kayong salamat. Team Maluwang TV, salamat po sa support. So kung sino pa yung hindi ko na replyan back, hintay-hintay lang ho. We're going back sa Monday na ho. So ayan. Babalikan ko kayong lahat. Ayan. Ang ganda ng statue dito guys. Oh. Ayan. I-picture ko muna. Okay, ang hirap naman walang vlog stick. Ayan. Ayan. Hi, sorry. Ayan, tingnan natin. Baliktarin ko yung camera, guys. Ayan, may naamoy ako dito. Sino to? A type of The 5,600 mines laid and swept in the mine barrier placed in the North Sea by the United States Navy during the World War 1917. Okay guys. The greatest achievement of each nature recorded all at the naval history, and those placed here as a tribute to those who sacrificed their lives and to the survivors of the fleet. Presented to the city of Boston through the North Sea Mine Force Association's October 20. Okay, this is monumental guys. Para tong bomb. Ano ba to? So ito yung statue. Yeah, ang ganda. Patingnan natin kung sino to. So yeah guys, andito na ako. Titingnan natin. Tanaw nato niya ang iyang memory. And okay. Ayan, titingnan natin kung sino to. Walang pangalan. And then, to the men in Boston who died for their country on the land and the sea in the war which kept the Union Hall, destroyed slavery, and maintained the constitutions, the grateful city has built this monument that their example may speak to coming generations. Martin Wilmore Scott. Oh, ayan o. Ayan. Ang ganda ng monument dito guys. So once again, thank you so much Team Maluwang TV. So sorry hindi ako nakapag-live here at Boston kasi yung data ko hindi nagwo-work. Ayan, ang ganda naman nun. Ayan. Ayan. So ayan yung Boston skyscrapers guys. Mga business district. Ayan, ang ganda. Napakaganda guys. So daan tayo dito sa carousel kasi may carousel dito. Ayan. So, for those who wants to come and visit Boston, come and try to visit this town. Kasi napakaganda. May nakikita akong mga ano guys, mga tour bus. Ayan. Ang gaganda. So, ayan, may carousel dito para sa mga bata. Kung kids ay gustong sakay. Ready to ride. Tingnan mo guys, sarap magtampisaw sa mainit. Ayan, tingnan mo yung mga bata. Ayan sila. Nagtampisaw sila guys. So meron din dito Frog Pan Cafe kung gusto nyo mag-order. Ano bang meron sila? Ayan. So may mga washroom dun dito. Nandun na yung asawa ko at saka si Jomar. Ayan. Hoy, Nobel! Shh, Nobel! Nobela! Nobel! Wala kang damit! Hala ka! Nobel! Ayan. Hala. So, puntahan natin yung isa ditong ano guys. Yung statue. Ano ba ito? Insan? Statue. Mura manig ano. Tanaw na to. So, napod sila ikuan dito o katong gwapo nga murag gazebo. Marami siya brotherhood. Ah, sorry.
Gagal naman.
So, ayan na siya guys. Ano to siya? Parang brotherhood. Tingnan natin may ano siya dito. Love is such a powerful force as there is a for everyone to embrace that kind of unconditional love for all humankind. That is the kind of love that is impels people to go into a community and try to change conditions for others. It takes the rest for what it they believe in. Oh, okay. I don't know kung unsa ni siya. So once again guys, if you wanna visit Boston, try to come here at Boston Common. So hinahanap ko yung flock niya, hindi ko alam kung ano to, wala naman siya. So yun lang ang message, hinahanap ko siya, wala naman dito. So anyway, yun ang message doon, is about love. So and then punta tayo doon sa gazebo. Maganda yung gazebo doon guys. So once again, I'm here at Boston Common. Nagbisita ko, nag-meet ko for the first time sa akong auntie, akong cousin. So, this is the Embrace. Okay, the name is the Embrace. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. So, yun siya ang tinatawag na Embrace. Okay, pinakita ko sa inyo. So, yan, Embrace 2022 by Hank Willis, Thomas and Mass Design Group, commissions by Embrace Boston, the Boston Foundations, and the City of Boston Sculptures. Patinated bronze, plaza granite with bronze inlay. So from the collections of the City of Boston, to explore more of the collections, please visit Boston Government. Okay, so Bostonia Candat.id 1630. The story began in Boston. The Reverend of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Coretta Scott and meet in Boston in 1952. So that's Dr. Martin Luther King and Coretta Scott King meet in Boston in 1952. The Embrace is a memorial to their love and leadership, inspired and photograph of the King embracing. It reflects the power of collective actions, the role of women in the freedom movement, and the forging of solidarity out of mutual empathy and vulnerability. Beneath the artwork, 1965 Freedom Plaza honors civil rights and the social justice leaders active in Greater Boston from 1950 to 1975. Many of them are marched alongside Dr. King in 1965 with delayed a crown of 22,000 from Roxbury to the Parkman of Boston. Just a step from the memorial, in his speech, Dr. King called on Boston to combat racism and economic injustice. The Embrace and the 1965 Freedom Plaza are members of the King's high ideal born from struggle to foster and beloved community. Oh, okay. Nandito ako ngayon kung saan nag-speak si Dr. Martin Luther King. Finally, nandito ako, kaya yun ang memorial nila guys. So, ayan. Kaya pala. So, I have a really chance to visit the place in Boston. So maraming magagandang tanawin ho dito guys. Nindot kayo siya. So finally, the history says is the embrace between Dr. Luther King. So ayan, andito pa naman napay isa ka memorya. Atong tan-awon guys, so dito na ko ang Boston Common. So lami kay diri mag-exercise guys. Tingnan nato. Ayan. Ito naman ang erected in ano to? 1882. Commonwealth of New Massachusetts in honor to those who fell and at the Boston Massacre. Oy. Oh, sorry. So, ano pala to? It's a monument. Ayan. Oh, March 17th. 70. Ayan. Ayan you guys. City. Ito naman yung ano to na street dito sa Boston. Ayan oh. Ayan siya guys. Madto sa ako dito sa gazebo. Tapos madto ko dito na simbahan no. Ato ko dito itong simbahan. Naroon to sila dito. Si Hit di man musoroy. Musoroy good siya pero para siya sa akong cousin. Bana sa akong cousin. So ato ta. Ayan, may gazebo guys. Ato na to. Ayan, andito na ho yung gazebo guys. Ayan. Ang ganda tingnan. So yan guys, and then yung gazebo. So once again, thank you so much Team Maluwang TV for all the support. Pasensya, hindi ako naka-live at Boston kasi yung data ko guys, magkaiba yung charge. Kaya napakaganda dito. Nagpasyal ako. Ayan. So once again, thank you for all the support. My Little Bisayang Hilaw Vlog. And Team Maluwang. Especially kay lahat ng founders. So lahat ng founders, maraming salamat po. Ayan guys. Kapoy sa day mag-vlog. Gusto ko madto dito itong night. Kuan. Katong na ay at sa tawag ini na ay simbahan at tuta dito tara akong bana dito ako ratong biyaan. So I was thankful that we have a chance na I met my cousin and my aunt for the first time. So ito yung tatlong person na nakilala ko in my side. So it's about time na makilala ng anak ko yung mga relatives niya kasi rights niya yon. So hindi ko yun dapat ipagkakait. So the rest nasa kanya na yon. Make a decisions. So I'm just here na makilala at least alam niya na may relative siya dito ho sa US. So tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Ayan o, may Boston, ano yan? Boston Doctors, kung nakikita nyo yan guys. Ayan guys, Boston Doctors. Ayan. in the future, balik ko din eh. I will be back in Boston. Kasi nga guys, ayun siya. Ano tong bahay dito? Andun sila nakaupo.
What do you want?
Mga bake shop, mga shop pala yun dito guys. Ano to dito? Oh, visitor information. So, ayan. May Boston t-shirt ko dito. Ayan, may Boston t-shirt. Magkano kaya to? Wala bang maliliit dito na Boston t-shirt? Hi, do you have a extra small shirt for kids?
Yeah.
How much is that?
Yeah.
Are you receiving cash or debit?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Be right with you. Let me see which.
Do you have a debit or things? Just cash.
We take credit cards.
Okay,
Apple
can I?
Pay, yeah.
Yeah. Can I have a t-shirt? Do you guys have a short?
No shorts. No.
Do you know where I can buy a short here? Do you guys?
Macy's down the street.
Macy. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Asan yun? Where is that? Macy.
Go down there, this
Yeah.
street, take a left.
That one, the street,
Yep,
that one
straight
there?
ahead, take a left.
Okay.
Yep, right down there.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I will be back.
Yeah.
Thank you. Puntahan ko muna yung church doon. So, ayan, dito lang tayo. Dito lang ako sa malayo. Ala, may mga painting. Puntahan natin yung mga painting mamaya. Puntahan natin yung mga painting. Uy, maganda oh, naasay ko andiri oh. Uy, ako mo'y naigikapoy diri. Og nila na ay fountain. Ang ganda ng fountain. Ang ganda ng yung simbahan. Doon tayo sa kabila para maano natin yung harap. Saka may golden dome sila dito guys. Oh. The Lafayette Mall. Sorry, dili ko kabalo mo ba saan ano naman yan. Ayan oh. Ay Diyos ko, ang ganda niya dito. Ayan oh.
Did they live in this neighborhood?
Ayan. Ayan, oh, ay, di man na simbahan. Unsa dahil hotel man dahil pano. Ayan. So, ito yung Park Street, guys. Ayan. Ng Boston. So, cross tayo. Ayan, yung Boston. Let's go cross. Tingnan natin yung...
shuttle bus here?
Ayan, tingnan na. Ayan. Nagpasala ako guys. Nandun yung asawa. Uy, na mga ano, oh, jewelry, na mga damit. Ayan, may mga postcard ng Boston. Tingnan na natin dito kung may mga shirt. Ayun. Ay, sorry. Hi. Did you guys have a short pants? No. What about jogging pants?
No.
No. Only a shirt, everything.
Yeah, we have a jogging pants on the Harvard, extra large and large.
Do you guys have no for kids?
T-shirts?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have all the way there on the hallway left.
Ayan na. Wala, may short dito. Do you know where I have to buy the short? Because I'm not here from US.
Shorts, any shorts?
Yeah, any short.
You just go all the way straight. Go to Primark, very close from here.
Very close. Okay, thank you so much. I will be back. How much is
Okay, no
this?
problem, $12.
Oh, I will get that one. So here guys, I'm here at the music hall. Ano to? Avenue Way, private way. So may Starbucks dito, may tea, diba? So ayun. Kaya lang malayo to ho sa cousin ko guys. It means like 44 minutes kung saan sila nakatira. But honestly guys, I love their place. Ayan, Macy. Ayan sa Macy. Ayan. So once again, if you wanna visit Boston, come and join here in this area guys. Napakaganda guys. Oh. Ayan. Karasa pa man takadaw ginigloto para magkabuang-buang tadig suroy-suroy. It's a lot of, ayan, andito na ako sa ano ba dito? Ang gaganda. Ayan. Ayan yung Missy. Ayan, Paramount City. Nagpunta ako guys. Ang ganda ng place. Ayan. So, puntahan na lang natin yung Primark. Since nandito na ako. So, ayan. Ang cute naman ng dog. Ayan. Nandito na ako sa Primark at Boston. Pasok tayo guys. Parang naamoy ako ng hindi magandang amoy. So, ayan. Bibili na lang tayo kung sandali dito. Short na lang yung bibilhin ko. Kasi guys, si Nobel, Diyos mio, naglumlum og tubig. Ayan. Ang bibili na lang tayo ng short na pangbata.
Okay.
Asa man dito, wala man sila yung mga short na pangbata. Ang ganda, oh. $12. Ito na lang, extra small. Wala bang pangbata dito? Excuse me, do you guys have a kids? Do you guys have a kids clothes here?
Yes, it's upstairs.
Thank you. Guys, gusto ko yung pants nila, guys. Parang madadali na naman ako dito, ha. Gusto ko yung pants nila. Yung sweat pants nila. Gusto kong magbili ng sweat pants with Boston. So, gusto ko siya. Ayan, nandun lang yung mag-asawa, mag-ama ko with my aunt and cousin. Mabibigyan na rin sa pagbalik ko. Kasi bilhan ko lang sandali yun si Nobel. Pasensya na guys, ha. Ayan, ayan. Nakita ko na ho yung bilhin kong pants kasi may t-shirt na siya ho dito. So, bili na lang ako ng konting pants, short sa kanya. Asa man dito? Ayan, nakita na ako ng short. Jogging pants, walang short. Yung kahit leggings na lang sana. Ayan, 350. Ito na lang. Maliliit man to. Nababaliw na ako sa kakahanap ba. Wala may mga short. Wala may short. Mga pangbata man to dito. Eh. Wala ko kitag mga short. Hi, excuse me. Do you guys have a shirt for the ladies? For the children, 7 years old, 9 years old? Shirt pants. Shorts.
Go?
Yeah, like a shorts, like a...
Police kept on out there.
Oh, okay.
For the girls.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Wala man. Kini pang 10. O kini na lang, oh. O kini na lang. Ano to? $4 lang naman siya. O dara 7 to 8, 8 to 9 nandito. May 8 to 9. So okay na to siya, guys. Bibilin ko na lang to. Okay, 8 to 9. So let's go out na. Asan ba may bayad dito? Saan ba ako pwedeng magbayad nito? Asan bang babayaran dito? Ah, here, pay there.
Yo le gané todo el día, quieto.
Ay, Diyos ko, ang taas ba ng line up? Are you lining up? Ay, nako. Ayan na, guys. Dito na lang ako. So, ayan na, guys. So, this is sweet. Excuse me. Ayan, so balik na tayo sa kanila guys kasi baka nilamig na yung maliit ko. So pagka ano na lang jud perte ni akong anak kurebuyag jud. So ayan. So here guys, may Missy pala dito. Para to siyang mall. So once again, when you visit Boston, come here. So I'm here at the corner cheese. So ayan. Ayan na ho guys. So here at Boston, the corner. Ayan. So yan na ho yung Boston guys. Sorry. So ayan. Naglalakad ako sa gitna ng Boston. Ayan guys, the Missy. So balikan ko na sila guys. Sana hindi naman kayo magalit. Hindi naman yung magalit. Nagtaka na lang yun kung saan ako. So, ayan. So I just had to stop over back at Boston Sweater kasi may mga sweater doon. Bibili ako ng Boston Sweater para sa aming mag-asawa kasi andito na ho yung damit ni Nobel. So sana makabihis na siya. Sa mga hingdagan man siya atong tubig atong pagka huy paska na kong syagit pastila ning bata. Ayan. So balikan natin yung Underground Express kasi may mga Boston mga t-shirt siya. Mura lang siya guys, tanaw na to mura pero double yun sa price ng Canada guys. So bibili ako ng sweater. Ayan. Guys, nakabili na ako ng Boston shirt and Boston sweater for my husband. So ngayon, balikan na natin sila guys. So, kapoy man like baktas. Come back na. Oh, kung asawa ni Tix ako. Eh, siya, balik na daw ko. Okay, balik na ko. Ayan. Kahit pa paano nakapagpasyal ako kunti na walang magulo. Nandun si Hit. Kasi, ayan guys, oh, may back, ayan, Liberty Ferry sa Boston Doctors. Ayan, nakikita nyo, ayan. So, ayan guys, andyan lang yung corner, yung Fremont and Winter Street here at Boston Common Park. So, nakabili ako ng damit at saka yung paborito kong sweater. Ayan. Ha? Ayan, haloy na yung mga bird. Oh, dagang kay bird. Nakakita ninyo guys. Ayan. Yung mga birdie. Ayan, mga dove. Ayan guys. Naiwan yung asawa ko. So, thanks for my cousin for accommodating us. So, maraming salamat po. And at least I know na may relatives ako nandito. So, sa susunod babalik ako. Ayan, oh, ang ganda oh. So, guys, once again, if you wanna visit Boston, don't forget to quick visit at the Boston Common. It's a park guys. So, ay, ano pala to? Falong Gafa pala to. Ay, Diyos ko Lord, ano ba to? Tingnan natin. And mga, ayan siya, exhibitions. So, exercise. Sa breathing exercise. So, may cost ito guys. So, ayan. Ayun. Asa na sila? So, Uy, na yung mga ano. Squirrel! Wala ko na ko sa squirrel. Lami ka ano. Ayan, oh. Asa na sila?